Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Friday. Let's go ahead and start by reading our I can statement. I can identify, represent, and solve word problems within 20 using equations and drawings to show my work. First, we're going to begin with a warm-up. And for today's warm-up, we are going to partition the shapes into fourths. So partition or cut the shapes into 4 equal parts. So for the square, I can cut it straight down the middle or straight across, or I can cut it from corner to corner. As long as I have 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts, meaning that each part is the same size and shape. Now I want you to pause the video and partition the circle and the rectangle into fourths. All right, now let's do it together. I can cut the circle straight down the middle, straight across, or I can cut the rectangle from corner to corner, as long as they are cut into 4 equal parts. Alrighty. This is an I do, so I'm going to read the problem, write an equation to match my problem, and then draw a picture to prove my answer. Timmy has 14 math problems to do for homework. He has already finished some of them. He has 3 left. How many math problems did Timmy already finish? First, I'm going to write an equation to match my problem. Timmy has 14 math problems to do for homework. He has already finished some of them. I don't know how many because it says some. He has 3 left. How many math problems did he already finish? First, I'm going to draw a number bond to prove my answer. My whole number goes at the top. My missing part, or one of my parts goes at the bottom, and then my missing part is left blank. Now, in order to find this missing part, I'm going to take 14 and subtract 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now I'm going to take 3 away. 1, 2, 3. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 is my missing part, and now I can fill that into my equation. Timmy had 14 math problems due for homework. He already finished 11, and now he has 3 left. Okay, now we're going to do this one together, meaning I'm going to read the problem to you, write an equation, and then you are going to draw a picture to solve. Tammy walked 3 miles on Monday, 5 miles on Tuesday, and 7 miles on Wednesday. How many miles did Tammy walk? I know I'm adding because it's asking how many miles did she walk, meaning I'm going to add up all the miles she walked on each day to figure out how many she walked total. She walked 3 miles on Monday, 5 miles on Tuesday, and 7 miles on Wednesday. How many miles total did she walk? Now I want you to pause the video and draw a picture to prove your answer. All right, let's draw one together. Tammy walked 3 miles on Monday, 5 miles on Tuesday, and 7 miles on Wednesday. How many miles did Tammy walk? So let's add them up all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Tammy walked 15 miles all together. All right, now this one is a you do, so I'm going to read you the problem, and then I want you to pause the video to create an equation and draw a picture to prove your answer. Jane has 4 green marbles, 2 yellow marbles, and 1 red marble. Jacob has 8 purple marbles. Who has more marbles? And how many more do they have? This problem is asking 2 questions. It has 2 steps. So first, you need to figure out who has more marbles and then how many more do they have. Jane has 4 green marbles, 2 yellow marbles, and 1 red marble. Jacob has 8 purple marbles. Who has more marbles? And how many more do they have? I want you to pause the video, write an equation, and then draw a picture to solve. Ready? Pause. So since this is a 2-step problem, I'm going to solve the first step on this side. First, I need to figure out how many marbles Jane has. She has 4 green, 2 yellow, and 1 red. Jacob has 8. So who has more? First, let's figure out how many Jane has. 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 1, 2, plus 1. Let's count all of her marbles together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Jane only has 7 marbles. So who has more marbles? Jane with 7 or Jacob with 8? Very good. Jacob has more marbles. So I'm going to put a box around the number 8 to represent that Jacob has more. Now the second part is how many more do they have? Whenever I see the words how many more, I always subtract. So I'm going to take the smallest number and subtract it from the biggest number, which would be 8 minus 7. So I'm going to take 8 marbles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and take 7 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, leaving 1 marble left. So how many more do they have? Jacob has 1 more marble than Jane. All right, now it's your turn to practice what we have gone over today. So go ahead and complete your math seesaw activity and get it posted to your seesaw. Have a good weekend, guys.